Hi guys! My name is Wenli. Welcome to my channel. Today we're going to do garlic bread. It's very simple and easy to do. If you love this recipe, please click like and subscribe to my channel. Thank you! All garlic bread lovers, you should try this simple and easy recipe at home. We only need 4 ingredients. If you dislike French bread, you can replace with any other bread. First, we slice the bread. Then chop the garlic. Today, I'm using a half-emptied butter box to mix the garlic spread instead of using a bowl. Pour all the chopped garlic into the box. Then add in the butter and mix them together. You can add more butter if you like. When it's done, spread the butter mixture over the sliced bread. Then, sprinkle the mixed herbs evenly on the buttered bread. Toast for about 5 minutes or until it's slightly golden brown. It's done! Can't wait to have a bite! Thanks for watching. Bye!